Hey everyone, today we're going to be making an easy potato dish that you can have with rice or pita bread. As you can see, I've already got my pan ready with some oil, to which I've added some brown mustard seeds and curry leaves. We're going to let that sit in for the pan for about 30 seconds before adding the potatoes. I've used 4 medium-sized potatoes here. Once the potatoes are in, we're going to give it a quick stir, and after about a minute we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili flakes and mix it. Now the amount of chili flakes to put in is completely up to you. If you like spicy food, you can add up to 3 tablespoons. If not, just use a lesser amount. Okay, now we're going to give that a bit of a mix and let that sit in for a couple of minutes. Next, we're going to add the onions in and mix well. So I've used 4 medium-sized onions here. So it's 4 medium-sized potatoes and 4 medium-sized onions for this recipe. Then we're going to add some turmeric powder. I've used around a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a 1/4 cup of water to help the potatoes get nice and tender. Give it a good mix again, and once you've mixed it, just place a lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Just be sure to check it every 2 to 3 minutes and give it a quick stir to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. That's it. You're good to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.